Hi everyone, I am so glad to find you all here in this video because I feel you all have decided now to become smart and successful. Let's start with you imagining yourself in the next 5 years because everything that you decide now will help you gear up for the future. And if you have actually decided to become successful and smart, there's a simple tip that you should all watch this video towards the very end because this will help you overcome this very challenge of your life. So let's start with the basic tips. The tip number 1 is set goals for yourself. Set goals for yourself means set realistic goals for yourself. You know what Brian Tracy says? Brian Tracy says that a goal without a plan is mere a dream. If you don't fix goals right now in your life, you will not have a further course as to where to go. There will be no road and which journey to pick. Next is number 2, which says, do not overthink. Stop overthinking. What is the point of just thinking, being anxious and just going on the same old track again and again? There is a lot to explore in life which is full of surprises. So let us actually think in a good direction and not overthink. Tip number 3. Don't rely on others. See, expectations actually reduce joy. You all are independent and God's own unique creation. Why to rely on others and be dependent on others? That's not what you should be doing. Tip number 4, a very important tip. Just start doing things. So you know what happens? We just think that one fine day we will start this, we will start that, and that one fine day never comes. So for example, if you want to know how to make a timetable, we already have a video for you. You can watch the I button video, click on it and then have a look at it. Similarly, there are small steps that you need to take. Take one step at a time and the Almighty and the teachers, everybody will bless you towards the next 99 steps out of the 100 in your life. So this is one very important tip, that just start and things will flow smoothly. Tip number 5, use your imagination power. So I know you all are like birds who wish to fly, who have the wings of imagination to fly. At times when we get a very positive result, we become very overwhelmed, very happy. But when we get a negative result, we become depressed. This should not happen. We should at that time use our imaginative power and think of the end result that we can achieve. And definitely that will fill you with more joy. Tip number 6, the last but not the least, is that accept failure. There is no point thinking of failure as a hurdle. Failures are rather pillars of success. Had the previous scientists not made attempts, they would not have come with important discoveries and inventions. If you want to know some more tips and tricks as to how to deal with depression and how to deal with overthinking during exams, we have videos lined up for you. You can have a look at them. But all these tips, I believe now, will help you ace the papers, will help you think that you can become smart, you can become successful. Thank you for watching.